Alright, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just in the final crunch trying to get Kenny's car ready for the World of Wheels, but wanted to show you some of Hondo's amazing work. So this is the wiring for the system. So everything is run to a central location. So we have a distribution block, which is our power and our ground. We have a bump up relay, which is to bump up the turn-ons, because we're running 3 amplifiers, 2 4-channels and a monoblock. And this is our onboard power supply. So the nice thing about that is we'll show you later, there's a plug under the car. So you can literally plug the car in and it'll run all day long. I mean, we have cars out there with power supplies that run for 3 days straight, 12 to 14 hours a day, no issues. It's basically as if the car was running. So the entire stereo stays functioning and working the entire time. So power supplies are basically used for show cars, at least we do. We've been using them this way forever, because the thing we hate the most is, and you see it a lot at car shows, is the car's there, they turn it on, it lasts for about an hour or two, and then the battery dies. So therefore there's no more audio, no more video, no more lights, no more nothing. So the last thing you want to do is spend all this money, get all this cool equipment, lighting, everything in your car, and you can't even show it off, right? So what the power supply does is it basically acts as an alternator, kind of. It charges the battery the entire time that the car is parked. And so it's supplying current to the battery and to all the electronics. So now the electronics can work all day. I mean, literally weeks if you wanted to. As long as it's plugged in, the car and all the stereo equipment will function.